Hi, well, this could be the most interesting video I've made for a very long time because it's about a doorbell. It's not any old doorbell. This is a batteryless doorbell. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. And I'm going to open this box with about the best thing I bought last year, I think, which is a pair of left-handed scissors. All I can say is, where have you been all my life? Gosh, I don't know how I got on without them. Right, here we go. Hot off the press from Amazon. And it costs just over 16 quid. Oh, there we go. I put up a video once complaining that Amazon was using too much packaging, and it's the one that persuaded me to not allow comments anymore because it attracted a ton of trolls who are, you know, incredibly tedious. Right, instructions. Okay, it's always good to see 3M on stickies. Okay, and it consists of two bits. Right, this plugs into the wall socket, which is the chime. So I'm going to strategically locate that in the house. And this is the bit that we stick on the outside on the door, on my nice new shiny door. And this actually generates its own electricity. See, there's no battery in there or anything. Press that. See that blue light coming on? So there's no battery to go off in the rain or anything like that. You don't have to worry about it. I'll take that off in a minute, actually. And that's all there is in the box. That and some raw plugs and a couple of screws. And it is called the Tech self-powered wireless doorbell. Oh yeah, it's wireless. Okay, well the instructions are in fact quite simple. Step 1, plug the receiver into the socket. Step 2, enjoy it. But there's a couple of buttons on the side where you can adjust the volume and adjust the tones and what have you. And there are meant to be 38 tunes you can choose from. So I got it plugged in here next to my Wi-Fi booster for the courtyard. And you can see if I press it, okay, that's a pretty traditional one, which will actually do, but let's try some different tunes. Phew, well that's not 38, I think I've had enough. They're absolutely crap, aren't they, apart from the first one. So, next step is to attach this unit to the front door. Right, here we go. I've got it slightly skew with, of course. So let's see if we can hear it. Absolutely fine. Woo! Okay, that's it. Seems very good little thing to me. The only bad thing about it is the 38 chimes and sort of 36 of them are unusable unless you, particularly want to listen to Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or whatever it was. But that's it. 16 quid. Very happy. Thanks for listening.